How y'all doing, everybody? It's Brad, and this right here is a CH-53 Echo Super Stallion the United States Marine Corps uses for the heavy lift. Alright, this is a bad joker now. It can carry like 30,000 pounds internally, going up the ramp, holding troops, or they could sling it up under 36,000 pounds. Anyway, this thing right here took like 45 minutes to draw, and I just used one I'm holding right here, my old mechanical pencil. Nothing fancy. But yeah, this is a bad joker now. This thing can go 173 mile an hour top speed. It's got a range of about 620 miles, but a combat radius. That means going to the fight or wherever, dropping people off and coming back, about a little over 200 miles. So yeah, it's a bad joker now. Anyway, thanks for watching. And United States Marine Corps, baby. CH-53 Echo Super Stallion. Like I said, around 45 minutes to draw it. Thank you for watching, and appreciate you watching. All right, bye.